In our previous part, I have showed about PHP OOP basics tutorial. You can see PHP class, method, object, or real use. I mean, just input, it will calculate. Okay, you can see in our previous part. If you go to our channel youtube.com/wcoderzone and then go to the playlist tab, you can see PHP OOP tutorial for beginners full. Okay, and here you can see 2 videos. Okay. And second part I have showed about PHP OOP real use. Okay, so in this part, I'm going to show you about a PHP constructor method. Okay, PHP object oriented programming constructor method. So let's go to Sublime. Our explorer and our folder was htdocs. Okay, and then our folder was PHP OOP basic series. Okay, now I want to work in my Sublime text editor. Okay, in our previous part I have showed about all of my code in Notepad++. Okay, now I want to work in Sublime text editor. Just drag my, if you don't know Sublime text editor, just search on Google for Sublime text editor. Okay, you will get the Sublime text editor free. Just download it. Okay, you can see our previous code. I have write that our PHP class, method and object real use. Just remove it. PHP OOP object oriented constructor methods, constructor method. Okay, now in this part I am going to show you constructor method. Just remove our previous all code. Suppose form. Okay, or main div here. Okay, and if I refresh our, you can see PHP OOP constructor method. Okay, however, now suppose if I write, also you can see in our previous part I have created a function in our folder directory. You can see here we have created a function. Just delete it, we don't record now is. Okay, and now in here if I create a class again, suppose first create a PHP block, and if I create a class, suppose this is generate our ID automatically. Just remove it. Okay, class. Okay, suppose if I write our class name as like same person. Okay, in our previous part, and if I write a function, suppose public function, suppose person name. Okay, if I write person name, classic name person, and public function person name, and in top just declare some properties. Suppose name equal, suppose public name, and public is as like same in our previous first part I have write this. Okay, and if I create a constructor, suppose a public function, for create and constructor you need to write double underscore construct. Okay, CONSTRUCT, construct. When you write a construct and write code for executing here, it will automatically load it. Okay, I am showing you, just wait a minute. Public function construct. Okay, just if I write here echo, I am learning PHP OOP, I mean object oriented programming now, suppose something like that. And in our person name, if I write here, suppose echo my name is suppose region. Okay, now it's complete. Now how to access in here, I hope you already know if you checked our previous all tutorial, I mean PHP OOP basics tutorial. Okay, if you checked, I hope you already know how to access it. For accessing it, first just create an object or instantiate of your class name. Okay, our class is the end here. So outside of class, just create suppose variable new person. I write new person equal new person, object create first, then just your object and object operator or arrow sign that you call, just write the person name. Okay, this property, sorry, method you want to access. Okay, now if I refresh our browser, include functions.php, oh sorry, you can see here include functions.php failed to open streaming, no such as file directory, cannot find. I hope you can understand. In our previous part, PHP OOP real use, I mean in our previous part I have include this, okay, include function.php, but I have deleted this file. You can see in our directory no file, and for that generating this error. Okay, functions.php failed to open streaming, no such file or directory. Okay, however I hope you understand. Just remove it because we have deleted our file. However, now again refresh. Now you can see I am learning PHP OOP now. My name is region. Okay, if I comment out this, you can see, just comment out this, okay, and refresh. You can see here is printed my name is region. Here you can see we have access our object new person object and person name. This is our method we have accessing. Okay, and printed echo my name is region. This value is printed, my name is region. Okay, but if I comment out this line, okay, I mean just comment out this line, I have just create an instantiate of our class. You can see our class name is person. Just create an object. You can see new person equal to new person. You can write anything as you wish. Okay, and I am writing that as example that you can easily understand. However, you can see new person equal to new person. I am just creating an object, but don't access to any kinds of constructor or method. You can see this is our construct and this is method. Okay, this is constructor method and this is our own method, custom method. You can see, but I don't access here, just create an object. And if I refresh now, and here just remove the comment first. Okay, and now if I refresh, you can see I am learning PHP OOP now. I hope you can understand that what is the difference between constructor and the custom method. Okay, constructor method and the custom method. The difference between constructor method and the custom method, constructor method automatically load. Okay, when you create an constructor method of any class, create an object of that class, I mean of constructor method class. Okay, when you create just an object, then constructor method will automatically load. You can see I am learning PHP OOP now. You don't require to write any kinds of access. Okay, you can see, but our second person name, this method is not loaded. You can see no loaded, but if you want to load, you need to write access here. Okay, new person, your object name, then object operator, and then your method name. Okay, otherwise this method will not be load, I mean printed automatically, but this constructor method will automatically printed when you write constructor method and just create an object of your class. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is the basic concepts or difference between constructor and the method. Okay, however, if I write here just a break, it will print here. You can see. And again, how to assign value using constructor. Okay, in your property, person property. For doing that, suppose in our person here just pass some parameter value. Suppose I can write name equal, here I can write suppose name equal, I can write as like same. Okay, name equal will be this, and just remove it, and comma, our second value is age. Suppose age equal, I can write suppose something like that. Okay, as example, and you can see person equal to my name is region, and age equal to 28, new person, person name. Okay, I have just access and just comment out first, and now here you can see, just if I print echo, suppose I write person name is, just concat your, here will be dollar this name. Okay, just concat, and person age is, you can see, just concat dollar this our age variable. Okay, now it's complete. Now you need to, you can see when we have created an object, you can see new person, person equal to new person, my name and 28, two argument value we are passing now through our person object. Okay, when you are creating, so how to assign this value name and age in your property of object, class property. Okay, name and age, this variable. So in your constructor just write, suppose I write as like same name and age. Okay, you can write anything. Suppose if I write that you can easily understand, arg underscore name. Okay, argument value name and arg underscore age, and in here just write suppose dollar this our name. Okay, this dot name equal our arg name. Okay, this value here don't require your dollar sign. Okay, because you are using this means this keyword will refer this person. Okay, this person's all of, and again just copy and paste and age and age. Okay, you can see age. Now if I refresh, parse error, syntax error, unexpected, line number 31 dot line number 31, here is a problem. Oh sorry, here you can see double concatenation operator is put it, it's maybe mistakenly, here will be one dot. Okay, and refresh, no printed. Now you can see we have echo in our person name, so you need to call your method in here, I mean access, you need to access in your person name method. So new person name, your object, then object operator, and then your method name. Okay, now refresh, you can see person name is, my name is region, person age is 28, that we are passing. You can see person name is region. If I remove all region and 28, you can easily more understand. You can see person name is region and person age is 28. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, person name is our name and person age is age. So practice it, you will learn about it more about constructor. Okay.